Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram wallet unsupported region. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Trying to use Telegram wallet, but getting the unsupported region error? Let me show you a few quick fixes. First, try using a reliable VPN service. Many countries block specific features on Telegram. A VPN will allow you to change your IP to a supported region. Choose a server in a country like the US. Make sure Telegram's wallet feature is officially available in your region. If not, it might just be restricted for now, and you'll need to wait for a wider support. Ensure that you're using the latest version of Telegram. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update your app. Sometimes older versions won't support newer features. If you're still stuck, contact Telegram's support. They may offer region-specific solutions or tell you when support will be available in your area. So that's basically how you can fix Telegram wallet unsupported region. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.